If you go back 225 or 30 years ago, you have what we call the Illuminati that was established in 1776. And the goals of the Illuminati, this is all very well documented, are to take over the world. One of the best ways of taking over the world is to control people's minds.
This is mind control, you're under my control. Let's see how far your mind can go. This is mind control, you're under my control. Let's see how far your mind can go.
My delivery is my mind moving deliberately, and what you see is me fusing two energies. I created, illustrate straight in your memory. I reincarnate if there was ever an end to me. Control, I'll delete, then repeat to anyone beneath. Verbal athlete who will eat anyone I meet. I'm a cannibal, sicker than Hannibal. Take me to the vet, I am one sick animal. Your brain is in my grips, within my fingertips. Focus on every word that's leaving my lips. Every song is different, never upload the same, but each one will hold and control your brain. I aim your train of thought and I pull the reins. I stole your stolen soul out of your whole frame. I'm a criminal with my subliminal attacks. Play this track backwards and you'll know where my brain is at. Call me a maniac, that's probably accurate, but once I go, you'll know my flow is immaculate. Perfecto, infect and dissect your mind and enter inside your mental. A neurological probe, my hands gripping the globe, straight to your ears like piercing your earlobe. Do you fully comprehend or do you purely just pretend? Watch me give it all my heart from the very start to end. Every single second is strategically selected and projected to be respected when my tape is reflected.
This is mind control, you're under my control. Let's see how far your mind can go. This is mind control, you're under my control. Let's see how far your mind can go.
Like a poisonous insect, I infect your body. This is mind control, it's the Illuminati. There's no escape when I totally reshape your views, and what makes you you is what I create. Do you not understand? You're under my command. You don't realize I stole your pineal gland. You need illumination, it's an illusion. Perception, deception, drowning confusion. But who's to say this isn't just a dream? Why does every living thing have dimethyltryptamine? Who's to say there's an almighty supreme? If I question God, why do they view me as extreme? I'm just hitting this booth with reason, logic and truth releasing. Light years ahead of decent, skill is never decreasing. My road to fame, it's a game of survival. 2 shots is all I need in this rifle. One between your eyebrows, dead on arrival. Reincarnate and kill you upon revival. I'm the MC squared, my talent is exponential. Is it crazy I haven't reached my full potential? I always step it up and I can always improve again. This is a mind game and I'm 9 moves ahead. On that next caliber, Excalibur, best sword. I move like the queen, but I'm the king on this chessboard. One last move to seal your fate. Nothing you can do, it's over, checkmate.
This is mind control, you're under my control. Let's see how far your mind can go. This is mind control, you're under my control. Let's see how far your mind can go. This is mind control, you're under my control. Let's see how far your mind can go. This is mind control, you're under my control. Let's see how far your mind can go.
Don't fall for brainwash. Hop onto my train of thought. Don't fall for brainwash. Hop onto my train of thought.